So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I will teach you how you can install your iOS 15 in Android mobile phones. So if you're new in this channel, then hit the like buttons and subscribe in this channel. So guys, here we go. So for that you have to go to install your iOS 15. Go in the Play Store and click for iOS 15 launcher. So after coming here, you can see this I have already installed. So what you have to do, just install this, and after that click it open. It will come this kinds of interface and click it OK. So after coming here, come in the defeat and home apps. Okay, after it, this come and click it 15. So now you can see this, my Android version has been changed. So make defeat launcher and OK, and the iOS launcher. Okay. So now you can see this, everything is in the Apple version. Everything is in the Apple version. So here we can see this. And also everywhere is, you can see here. So guys, this is how you have to do, and you have to install. So guys, this is the video and thanks for watching.